Hello, good people. I've come here today to offer you folks a chance to buy some shit. I don't know if anybody's in the market, but yeah, I'm going to be selling the old custom sub here. The price brand new is what is it? It's $8.99 on Parts Express, but they're out of stock. I was gonna sell the bad boy for $800 plus shipping. If you're local, you know, we can do a better deal. And the box also, I won't ship it, but local also. So you know, we can negotiate all that good stuff. Anyway, yeah, so yeah, that's it. I'll throw some pretty pictures up and stuff of it here in a second. Maybe a little music. You know, who knows? Who knows? We'll see what happens. Also got a nice little vid coming up with the double bass kick on the 18. So yeah, you guys check that out. I'll let me know something. Hit me up with a message. You want this shit? You got it.